Welcome to AMA Art and Craft. Today we are making this beautiful honeybee puppet card. For this we need yellow, black and white paper, pencil eraser, ice cream stick, rounder, fevistick, scissor, sellotape, wool or thread, any color of thread, sketch pen. First we will make face. For face we will take yellow color paper and fold it like this. Now we will draw ellipse shape. Draw from upper side, foldable part side, and then cut it. Now we will make body. For body we will take black paper and take ellipse shape which we had cut earlier and overlap on black paper this much part and then draw ellipse shape and draw one triangle in center. Now stick it. Now we will make wings. For wings we will take white paper and first draw 3 and draw slant line and cut 2 shapes. Take rounder and 2 wings and hold it like this and do 2 holes like this. Do 1 hole in body part. Put your wings like this. Take pencil and mark it dot. And do holes. Now take thread and pass it through the holes. And tie a knot upper side and down side. And tie a knot on upper side and down side. Now take thread and pass it through in second hole in wings. Take another string and pass it through this string and tie a knot. Now draw eyes and smile with sketch pen. Now we will make stripe. For stripe take yellow color paper and put it on black part and trace it. Cut it and stick it. Now we will stick ice cream stick with sellotape. Now we will make antenna. For antenna we will take black paper and put your puppet on your black paper for guideline and draw antenna. Cut it and stick it. Our cute honeybee puppet card is ready. You can make different puppet card like this. I hope you enjoyed this video.